Have you ever wanted to access a treasure trove of IPTV channels? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how to find and use public IPTV playlists effectively. A great place to start is the IPTV GitHub repository, which boasts over 15,000 public M3U channels from around the world. This is your chance to discover a new way to watch TV. First, head over to the IPTV repository. You can explore channels by country or category, making it easy to find what you love.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bed face flamed by the light.
Once you've found a playlist, simply copy the M3U link. It's that simple. Next, let's talk about importing these playlists. You can use online players like VLC or websites that allow you to paste the M3U URL directly. Just remember, not all channels will work perfectly, so test them out. It's common to encounter broken links, so be patient and explore different playlists. After importing, take a moment to organize your channels for easy access. Create folders by genre or language for a streamlined experience. Also, don't forget to check the pinned comment for the best IPTV provider. IPTV Store is highly recommended in the community. Lastly, make sure to always look for updates to your playlists. The landscape of IPTV can change quickly, and fresh links can enhance your viewing experience. Always stay informed. So, are you ready to enjoy the world of IPTV? Check out the pinned comment to elevate your streaming game with the best IPTV provider, IPTV Store. Don't miss out on these opportunities to enhance your entertainment options.